Hello everyone, this is John from Wuhan. We are now doing the rigid stranding machine to the assemble at our factory. As you see that this is one of our engineers doing the assembling part for the rigid stranding. This is another part, a laid out machines and another rigid stranding machines, which you can see it. This is the big size of the payoff and take out. When the assembly finish and checking the details, we are do this, put them in the store here, and after before delivery, we'll do all the the inspection for all the details to confirm the machine's running is stable and performance correctly. If the customers need us to do the whole task with raw materials, we also can do the support services for them and do the installation at our factory and test the machine around the machine for customers, and also give the support on how to install the machine, technical support. And we know that it is a ton of the COVID-19 period time. It's difficult, but also we can do much more services for customers before delivery. And as you can go to see visit our YouTube channel and to see how we do the technical support for our clients and material testing and machine installation online and offline to customers. I wish you enjoy our information. If you're running to this podcast, and please feel free to contact our Wuhan team. We are here to support your business with experience and professional. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is John from Wuhan, and now I'm showing you the rooms for our tubular stranding and rigid stranding machine and late jump and bone tapped stranding machine room assembly and the machine part, which you see here. This is the bone tapped laying down machines. This is assembling rooms finish and just put the machines installed here.